Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add a pickup address in your Shiprocket account. Right now, as you can see, we are into admin dashboard of Shiprocket, and here you just need to click on the need help button on the top of the header, right? And it would automatically open the co-pilot of the Shiprocket, and here you can simply mention add pickup address. And as you can see, the co-pilot have given us the response that it cannot add the pickup address itself. We need to do it manually, right? So I have simply asked it that from where I can add, right? So it have just told me the whole process from where I can add, right? But we are lethargic, right? So we are just going to write give me hyperlink of this page, right? So it would automatically give you the page from where you can simply add the pickup address, right? So we are going to click on this hyperlink manage pickup addresses, and now here you just need to mention the pickup address, right? Okay, sir, can we deliver the so you just need to click on add pickup address, and here it is just asking tag this address as whether it is a home, work, warehouse or other, right? So it is a workplace, right? So I have selected the work. And are you at the address right now, right? Yes, use my preset location for address, or no, I will add the location manually. So I will add the location manually. You can also use the preset option, right? But I would recommend you to add manually. You just need to search the famous building right nearby your home, and then simply drag and drop this marker at the right position, right? Because if you search for your house number, then it would not display you in the drop down, right? So just search for a famous building, right? And here in the complete and address, you can simply manually type your address. Make sure to add the house number or road number, right? Else it would show you an error that you have not mentioned the house or plot number or the road number, right? So it's necessary to add these details. Okay, so we are just adding the landmark, city, pin code. Sir, can I deliver the order without adding the pickup address? No, you cannot, right? So whenever you will try to deliver any order or like ship any order, then it would automatically ask you to add a pickup address first, right? Okay, so here you can simply mention the contact detail of the person whom the pickup guy should be calling, right? Here you can select the role, and you can also mention the alternate pickup coordinator detail, right? So in case if the person is busy who is the pickup in charge, right, then the pickup guy will simply call the alternate coordinator. So you can simply mention his name, phone number, email address and the role. Okay, you can also add the operational timings and days, right? So here we are just selecting the operational days, right? We are open on all days, and here in the timing you can simply mention the timing whenever you are available and pickup guy can arrive at your location, right? Okay, it's done. Add supplier detail. Okay, and here you can simply mention the vendor name, the brand name basically, right? Okay, so I have simply mentioned it. There is no necessity of GSTIN, and you can simply click on verify and save address, right? And your pickup address has been saved successfully, and now you can simply ship any order from your Shiprocket account. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.